Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hope that you are going pretty well. Let's take your seat, take your coffee and tea, and let's get started. I'm talking about Lucid Group stock. Let's analyze it first. The price chart, is it making sense to buy now or not? Who are the holders? What about the company? Okay, subscribe to my YouTube channel and let's get started. Let's see the listing price. For that, I'm going to change the time frame to the daily time frame and go to zoom in the process of listing price. Here we can see it's clearly visible now, the chart. So they listed in September 2020 and the beginning 2021 it start growing, it start strong pump, and let's see how much this stock grows from the lowest point. Let's take measurement. Here 976 for example, and the all-time high here $64. So it's around 557% generally the growing after listing. There is only minus 6% discount from the listing, and that is not crash for me, absolutely. Okay, let's see after all-time high how much percent crash. So that's 71% discount, here again 71. So let's zoom in and let's see the price crashed here, then accumulation, and then here is also accumulation like this, crashed the same point, and they are not letting go the price down, and after a while the price come to the close to the all-time high, but the price didn't hit all-time high, by the way. Let's see how much growth from this point. It's around 209%. So after a while, in the beginning, in the end of 2021, and in the end of in this beginning of 2022, the price has started crash, and it's similar to Bitcoin moment, that Bitcoin also crash like this moment. Let's take the Bitcoin chart and let's see that moment. I don't understand. Is really Bitcoin control Lucid Group stock price? So we can see here November 2021, and after a while the price has been crushed. Here 2022, and bear market started and Bitcoin crash. Okay, that's it. So we can see Lucid Group also crashed 2022, 2023. Here let's zoom in. We can see the process of crash. In this moment it has been pumped. Let's see how much percent from this point. If I take here, it's 100%. If I take squeeze again, here it's 183%. So after this pump, of course, price has been crushed again. Crash. That's unknown situation. And after a while, we can see here starting accumulation period. This is accumulation, in my opinion. You can see beautiful accumulation, and after a while price hits here first time and then go up, accumulation again, go down again the same point, and I can say the second time hit the lowest point, this lowest point, and then price go up again. In momentum with squeeze it's hit the same point again, number 3, and here accumulation go up, crash, here the same point, number 4. Okay, 3 times the price hold here, and 1 time only the squeeze. So I think maybe price will not go down from this level, And what we can see here is accumulation and big volumes. So if I see here, volumes are less. If I compare here, here are higher volume. If I press here, let's see the volumes. Momentum here on the black, it's visible. It's clearly visible. You can see volumes 27, 30 million. If I come here, it's 77 million. 100 million also I have seen. Yes, 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 yes. 100 million of volume, 122 million. Here is pretty high volume. Wow. 160 million also. Impressive. Really impressive. 180 million. 175 million. 259 million here, the highest volume. And right now it's 139 million. So that's it about volumes. I recommend to buy in current price because the stock has the lowest point, the same lowest point 3 times already, 4 times if I measure this also. So if I count this, so if you are buying now, make sure that you are ready in the case of scenario of crash, for example minus 50% or minus 20% or minus 30%. It depends on your goals, your strategy, what you are doing. Someone will buy after crash minus 30%. Someone will buy after crash of 50%. So $1 price and you can buy it more time. So let's make the levels. First one here and another one is $1, for example 1.08, and let's make the color here the yellow color for buying level. By the way, and another buying point, let's make here like this one. So until this diapason you can buy this stock. Now is one of the best entry points that we can see. Right now it's the best entry point, not one of the best. If price will crash here, I can say this is also good entry point, but 50% cheaper, it's of course best entry point if I compare to this point. Okay, let's see who are the holders of this stock. Come to the Yahoo Finance, we can see Lucid Group holders, measure holders, you can see the percentage of breakdown, you can see top institutional holders. Here the first place is public investment fund and holds, wow, it's close to 2 billion shares, and all date reported in March 31, 2025, and 58% holds this fund. Wow, impressive. So it's around 3,807,000,000 shares. That's really impressive, and it means that this public investment fund really can control the price movement of the stock. If I compare it with Vanguard Group, we can see here only 110 million shares, and here close to 4%, and it's $238 million shares. Of course, if I compare this 3.64% to 58%, 3.64% is not visible. Here, UBS Group AG holds around here. You can see shares like 57 million. BlackRock holds 49 million shares, and we can see the percentage. UBS Group almost 2%. BlackRock holds 1.62%. You can see here $122 million, 106 million, and here we can see other funds: Gecko Capital Management, State Street Corporation, Millennium Management. So that's it. If I go here, top mutual fund holder, let's see Vanguard Index Fund, Vanguard total stock market index fund. Here Vanguard small cap index fund also hold. Extended market index fund, again Vanguard small cap growth index fund. So for the top four here are Vanguard, we can see 1%, almost 1%, half percent, and its value around 81 million, 50, 65 million, 38 million, 36 million. Here we can see also Global X fund, Global X lithium and battery tech ETF. Here you can see 24 million. And go down, we can see also iShares included here, iShares Trust, iShares Russell Mid Cap ETF. So that's it about holders. Let's move forward. Come here, we can see right now it's fair, and people are fair because price crashed, because here globally and locally it's on the red. By the way, the fair and greed index is showing sell in the case of locally crash. So if it will be happen green come up, it will be greed or neutral. So analyzed rating here is 12%, almost 13%, but 1 year price target. But that is funny to see because this stock is high volatile, and if I take from this current point the price 2.15 and measure to here, it will be already 40%. if if come here 67%. And why the analyzed 1 year price target is 12%? I don't understand. Analyze it may not understand how market works, how the stock works generally. Maybe after a few months, or maybe this month, or maybe the next month, we may see the growing process like plus 34%, plus 40%, and they are talking about fairy tales like 12.81% 1 year price target. Maybe within 1 year this stock can start growing. Maybe in 1 year this stock can continue accumulation. Maybe this stock can crash. I don't know. I cannot guess what is the next move. But there is a high probability to see price higher of this point of accumulation. Maybe the price can hit here minimum and then come here. Only the time will show us. And let's see the financials and the final one, the summary. What is my points for this stock, my goals. Here market cap is $6 billion, 6.56. This stock is not paying dividend. Employers of this company is 6,800 people, founded 2007, and here CEO is Mark uh, Winterhoff. Website here is lucidmotors.com. If I enter to the website, what we can see, compromise nothing. And anyways, they are producing electrical cars. This is Lucid Motors, and for example, this car price is $70,000. Lucid Gravity, orders now open. So most advanced electric car designed in California, assembled in America, engineered to change the world. About us here, technology that drives sustainability. So this is about website, about the company that they produce electrical cars. By the way, here sustainability, charging, charging, changing, charging forever. Here they have electrical charging, founded as a battery company. We know that efficient power is powerful. We have worked hard to revolutionize how EVs operate, and this is only the beginning. Okay, come here to service. Here always at your service here, like your car deserves and to end support. We uphold the highest standard of care, ensuring a premium experience that lasts, lasts as long as your relationship with Lucid. About safety here, 5-star safety, Lucid Engineering boasts some of the best technical spaces in the industry, achieving a number of exceptional ratings that exemplify our commitment to your protection. Okay, here Lucid Air, for example, here the cars Lucid Air, Family, Pure, Touring, Grand Touring, and Shape Lucid Gravity here, Discover, Ownership, Locations, Accessories. Here we can see Lucid Air, different cars, for example, here Sapphire, the most expensive car, maybe here $249,000 price. Mm, let's see quickly. Alright guys, if you like the cars, that's good, that's pretty good. Here you can see fully equipped at $249,000. Model year is 2025, of course, max power, and there is comparison of parameters of this car. You can compare models. Okay, I will leave the link down below of this website. You can also order the car if you press order, and here you need to write data or something else to order anyways. Air price, air tuning, air grand tuning, air sepia, yeah, and here the color. For example, you can choose colors are different, about roof, appearance, wheels, and anyways. Alright guys, come here and let's continue to see the financials of the stock. Go down by ownership. Here free float shares 39%, closely held shares 60%, here closely held shares. Okay, capital structure, we can see market cap 6.56 million billion, sorry, debt level is 2.65 billion, and preferred stock is 1.66 billion. Here cash equivalents like 3.61 billion dollar, enterprise value is 7.17 billion USD, and you can see all this data here. About valuation, we can see the summary, like market revenue here $870 million, net income is here $3.11 billion. Okay, this is market cap. When I go down here, quarterly and annual revenue, net income, and net margin here, and this is performance, of course. If we see performance, the net income is always in minus. About annual, we can see here net income in minus, but this is not a fact, and this stock can grow easily but also can crash easily because high volatile, high risk. So revenue to profit conversion we can see for quarterly one, just I'm doing quickly. About annual one, here revenue, and that's it. About this revenue breakdown, here source of business, here you can see electric vehicles, electric vehicle powertrains, and battery systems. You can see 100% by country, where it's distributed. So Saudi Arabia is 33%. Saudi Arabia. Here United States 72%. Here is Middle East 0.37%. North America 1.30%, and the last one is other international, almost 2%. So here estimates revenue. Here you can see for quarter one, for annual one. About earnings, here we can see for quarter one and annual one here. Alright, this stock is not paying dividend again. Financial health, we can see debt level is growing generally for quarter one. If I check out in annual one, you can see debt level and free cash flow, cash equivalents like this. Of course, in 2021, on all the all-time high, the cash equivalents are the highest one, and then we can see debt level. So it's like this: free cash flow in minus. Financial position analysis: short-term assets are higher than liabilities, and long-term of also assets and liabilities. Here assets are higher than liabilities. About annual one, nothing changed too much, but generally we can see in short term it's assessed the highest level. Alright guys, let's see my goals, where I am waiting for, and how much potential does this stock has. That is the most important thing for investment. Okay, let's take the price and let's see 2.50 for 2.20 for example. If price come here, it will be 635% in the worst case of scenario, but of course I am waiting for the highest like this, like 2022%. If price come here, for here it's 2528%, and here is 2848%. I think the price of the stock can hit $100, and if it's hit $100, it will be 4,466%. So 4,400, that's not bad, that's pretty good, that's amazing. If price hit here, let's make like $97 for example, and let's change the color. Another goal, of course, the first goal here is here in the worst case of scenario, who would like to speculate, who is not ready to hold too long. So this is first goal for you. Another goal can be here and here. Momentum, yes, right here. So this is the goals for this stock, by the way. Of course, if someone is doing much speculative, then price from this point can come here, and it will be 192%. Here is 103%. If you want to take profit in 100%, you can sell here, but I am not short-term investor. I prefer to see the high level of profit, like x10, x20, x30 or x40. But in the worst case, the price can come here easily, maybe within few months, I don't know, maybe within 1 year price come here, or maybe crash again, updating the lowest point. Okay, again, let's follow the situation and let's see what will be happen. So I recommend to buy right now in current price 1% of your portfolio, include this stock, and it's good investment can be for you. I invested, of course, as well. So I like this. I like this chart. The first thing I'm looking the chart, and then I'm looking what is the company behind of this stock. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you find my video helpful, then like my video, share with your friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel to support my channel. Already 20 minutes of this video. I have Telegram channel of investing in crypto and stock market, my thoughts, my recommendations. You can join there and check out more information. Alright guys, I'm saying you see you in the next video. Bye bye.